Hi, everyone. Welcome to April and welcome to a new month of Jordan Essentials specials. I'm Natasha here with Natasha's Healthy Living, and I love to nurture wellness naturally a little bit each day. One of my favorite ways to do that is by using Jordan Essentials products because they are made in Missouri. They are botanically based ingredients and a woman owned faith based company. And I've been a Jordan Essentials consultant since 2004. So for 22 years, I think I'm going on this year. And I've stayed around that long because I just love the products and the company. So each month we have this Joyful Jordan box. It's a monthly surprise box. You can choose to subscribe if you want to get it shipped for free. So there's free shipping on a subscription. You can also just buy the box once and try it out, or you can buy it as a gift and have it shipped to someone. It's a really cute box. So it says open a little joy on the side, and just a fun way to send someone a cute package with some really great wellness products that are going to be clutter free and just give them a chance to try something a little new and different. So we have the Joyful Jordan box that we're going to look at for the month of April. Plus, I'll go through all of the specials for the month of April from Jordan Essentials, and we'll talk about that after we take a look at what's in this box. So the Joyful Jordan box is a little box of awesomeness. Each box is $30 and it's guaranteed to have at least $40 in products. So you're going to get a great deal on the products that you're getting in the box. Typically it's 3, sometimes it's 4 items. There's usually 1 or 2 items that could be in our regular catalog, but there's almost always something that is exclusive to the box. Sometimes all 3 items are exclusive, and that's what we have this month. So the card that comes in the box is unique and different each month, so it's seasonal and changes with the theme of the box. The front of the card is a little decorative one. It might have a Bible verse or just a fun quote. I actually like to pop these in a little Dollar Tree frame and just use them to decorate my office because they're cute. As you can see, this one says, "Joy is the simplest form of gratitude." So I'm actually looking forward to taking this out of the box and putting it in my little frame here once I'm done filming. The back side of the card will talk about what's in the box that month, so you get an idea of not only what the products are, but how to use them. So that's why it's a really great gift box, because people can just open it up and it'll tell them exactly what they have and how to use it and benefit from it. So the first item of this 3-set collection, and all 3 items are in this Joy scent, as you can see. Joy, before I start on the card, Joy is an exclusive scent that is not in our regular catalog. So we have kind of a core line of Bath and Body products in some different scents. Some are essential oil blends, some are fragrance oil blends, and then we also have a whole line of topical magnesium products, and those are essential oil based blends that have magnesium added, and they each have kind of specific benefits that target different solutions that you might need. So we have one for sleep, we have one for energy, we have one for hormone happiness, we have one for anxiety and stress called Copa Calm, and our classic one that has been around the longest is just peppermint. So if you like a good peppermint lotion, that's a whole separate line. So Joy is a fragrance oil blend, and it's not in the catalog right now, but we do have it kind of pop up a couple times a year in special items like this. And it's a citrus blend, so it's going to give you that kind of fresh, uplifting scent. It might be, well, we'll read about it here. I'm going to quit making things up. It's actually an essential oil blend. It says lemon and orange essential oils. So first we have Joy Vitamin C Body Oil. This is a brand new product. I've never tried body oil with vitamin C in it. That we don't have one. Jordan Essentials has not had one before. So this is new for us. And it says simple, pure, naturally based body oil that absorbs easily to nourish skin, ideal for everyday hydration or massage. Lemon and orange essential oils. How to use: use as an all-over massage oil after a long day or for an at-home spa ritual. Apply generously after bathing or showering to nourish dry skin and lock in moisture. And Nancy, the owner, went live this morning in our little Facebook group for all the consultants. And this is an argan body oil. And she said argan oil is really good because it's considered a dry oil. So it's going to soak in really well in your skin. I know there's also jojoba oil in here too, which is, I think they call it the golden oil because it's the most similar to our body's natural oil that we make anyway. So it's a really good one to have Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay. I was anxious to get a little sniff of that. So that is nicely soaking in there. It does feel like it's moisturizing my skin. And I got to, oh, that's a really good one. That scent is just that fresh lemon and citrus scent. So it actually says lemon, orange, grapefruit, and bergamot. So a really nice blend of all four essential oils with that fresh citrus uplifting scent and that nice body oil. I think this is going to be really good just after the shower when I kind of need to pick me up. I might keep it, I'm probably going to keep it in my bathroom, but I love that it's a little 3 ounce bottle too. So this could be good for travel. All right, next we have the Joy Body Polish. Again, totally exclusive to the box. We don't have anything exactly like this in our regular catalog. We have another body polish, but it's a cucumber one and it's a bigger bottle. So this says, polish away dry skin with pure ground pumice for a radiant, silky smooth feel. Lemon and orange essential oils. How to use. Massage onto damp skin or apply using bath loofah in circular motions. Focusing on rough areas, rinse thoroughly. So I'm excited to try this one too. And I love this little travel size, a 2 ounce tube. And like I said, we have a spa polish in our regular line with cucumber and crushed walnut shells. And this one has ground pumice. So it's a little bit different blend. It's, of course, that joy uplifting scent. So this is going to be really fun to add to the shower. I suffer from seasonal allergies, and I'm actually thinking this scent just sounds really nice for when I'm feeling kind of after after a few days in a row of really bad tree pollen allergies. Like just to pick me up in my shower with this bright citrus scent, I think is going to be really nice. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And if I have any left, I'll take this with me to Jordanvention in July because that's our annual convention. And I love having some of our fun products like this that are travel friendly to take with me for that. All right, the last item, this is another one I've been excited to get in and try because this is going to be kind of like a pocket perfume, if you want to think about it, like a purse perfume. So this is a Joy roll-on, and it says easy to carry on the go application. The metal cooling roller ball delivers joyful essential oils and grapeseed oil right where you want and need them. Lemon and orange essential oils. How to use. Apply to wrists, throat, and chest for aromatherapy. Roll onto hands, rub them together, then cup hands and inhale joy. So I love that we have these little roll-ons because they just are a nice, quick, easy way to get that. There's that metal roller and just screw the cap back on. And this is going to be really good. Yes, that is a great blend of those essential oils. I love it. So all three of those are a really nice little collection of that Joy exclusive scent. And I'm excited to have these to start using now that we're in April and ready to feel kind of fresh and springy and have some new things in my rotation from Jordan Essentials. So now let's set this Joyful Jordan box aside and talk about some of the other specials for the month of April. Okay, the next item I don't have in front of me because it's another exclusive new item we haven't had before. So I'm excited to order one and try it out. So it is a cucumber mint glycerin soap, and this is going to be naturally exfoliating with pumice and crushed walnut shells. It says it targets oily skin while hydrating, fights acne, wrinkles, and dryness. I love our glycerin soaps. I'm currently using one of our oatmeal glycerin soaps in the shower because I got into some poison ivy and that's all healing up. But that oatmeal soap has been a really nice, soothing shower soap to use. So this cucumber one sounds really good, especially after I've been out working in the garden and wanting to really scrub and get things clean. Then I'm excited to try this out. So with the customer special, anytime you have an order that is $50 or more, then you get this customer special for $5. You don't have to get it if you don't want it, but I always tell people for $5, you might as well try it. It's usually something exclusive like this. So we don't have this cucumber mint glycerin soap in our regular catalog. So it's a great way to try something new and different for $5. And if it's not your thing, you can always gift it. It's a great little thing to, pass on to a teacher for the end of the school year or put in dad's Father's Day gift if you're packing that up too. So that's a really fun one as your customer special, the $5 glycerin soap with cucumber mint and pumice and walnut shells. Then we have a host special. So the host special is a bring back. So Sea Spa was actually one of my favorite scents, and I'm really sad that it went away. But this was a scent that retired last year, and it's just kind of a nice, fresh, clean scent. So I really liked it, and I was sad that it went away. I kind of stockpiled what I could when they were putting things on clearance. But for the month of April, if you host a party, which could be a texting party, it could be a Facebook Messenger chat, it could be I have a pop-up shop where your friends can just go to the special link I give them, and there's a shopping link that goes directly to your little party shopping, and they can shop through there. We could do in-home parties, of course, but any kind of party, if you're the host and the party is $500, then you get this host set for, I think it's $5. Yeah, $5 with a $500 party. And I'm actually missing one of the items. So you're going to get the Dead Sea Salt scrub, you're going to get the foaming hand soap, and you get an 8-ounce magnesium body lotion in the Sea Spa scent. So it's this bring back scent that's not in the catalog anymore. All 3 products for $5 with a $500 party. Or if your party gets up to $800, then you get the 3 for free. So this is a really good one. I'm excited about that we have that scent that I love that actually has a way of coming back. And then the second to last thing we'll talk about, I guess maybe it's oh yeah, I have 2 more things to tell you. So second to last thing to talk about is we always have a special each month if you decide to join and become a consultant. So I have a link in the description box if you want to join and be part of my team. I'd love to have you. And we have, not only do you get a kit, so there's a $49 kit we'll look at in just a minute. That's what you get when you start out. So for your $49, you're going to get all kinds of items to help you start your business and try out a lot of the products. And then each month there's usually a bonus item or some kind of special that goes along with it. So for April, you get this face care duo. There's the Glow and Go cleansing pads and then the Tone It Down toning pads. So for joining, this is, I think they said this is a $37 these are my daughters, by the way, so I'm not sure where the other one went, but you get your little tweezers there, so you can pick out your 2 different ones, but you get the $37 bonus duo here, and then you get your kit of items too. So this is our joining duo. Let me scooch this aside and we'll look at what comes in the kit. Okay, I think it fits in the frame. So this is our Joyful Jordan box, just so you can kind of see for size. This is the joining kit. So when you join, you get, for $49 this month, you're going to get this whole box of products, and it's going to come with this cute bag. So you can put everything in there if you want to. And then inside the bag, you'll have information about starting, and then like how to start your business and how to use the products, and then catalogs. So you get a collection of catalogs and the bag and the training that goes with it. Plus there's tons of online resources from the company. You get connected with me and my team and our Facebook group and my resources. So there's lots of good support. And then this is a pretty good selection of what you'll get. I think I've swapped out, like you actually get a Helio lotion instead of this one, but I've already sold mine to somebody, so that's why it's missing. But you get all of these products as well. These are all full-size products. Plus you get samples, and I think I also borrowed, there were some more samples in here that I've already handed out to somebody. So you get a ton of samples to try everything. Like these are one of every hand and body or bath and body scent that we carry. These are one of every essential oil blend stick that we carry, the different solution sticks that come in the magnesium products. You get the face care line, the Hydra Glow Bakuchiol Moisturizer and Advanced Eye Serum and Gel Cleanser. You get our best-selling Peppermint Magnesium Lotion. Like I said, I think it actually comes with a Helio. And then Renew is our best-selling stick that is great for pain and muscle aches. We got a lotion bar in here too. This is our classic lotion bar, one of our first products that Nancy ever made, and a really unique way to apply a lotion where it's made out of beeswax, so it actually helps to seal and protect your skin and doesn't wash off right away. It works really well in the winter, but I love it all year long. It's great for my dry heels and feet in the summertime too, and then it just makes my skin feel soft and silky. So you get all of this for $49. And then when you join in April, you're going to actually get the bonus of the duo with the cleansing pads and the tone it down reset pore pads. So that's a really good deal to get all of that this month as part of joining. And then the final thing is we just launched our April spring gift guide. So this has tons of great bundles and collections for gifting this spring. So there are things for graduates, there are things for Mother's Day, for teachers, for nurses, because we have Nurses Appreciation Week coming up. We have Father's Day gifts. So there's just something for everyone in there. And I love that these are wellness gifts. They're not clutter. They're something people can use. They can make their lives a little bit better. They can help with problems and issues that a lot of us have: trouble sleeping, trouble with stress and anxiety, trouble with aches and pains, trouble with dry skin. There's just so many ways that we can provide a little support through some of these really good products. And then it's a gift that kind of keeps on giving. So I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. Thanks again for checking out the Joyful Jordan box with me and all of the specials this month. And if you have any questions, just drop me a comment and let me know, because I'm happy to help you with whatever you need. And if you want to order, there's an order link down there as well. Have a good one, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.